Welcome to the Pines in beautiful Prescott, Arizona. We just finished another project out back. We installed a pergola to match the home and this expansive wraparound deck. Let's go take a look around. For our final product, we went with a weatherproof decking. And to match the exterior of the home, we went with the color mahogany. On the other side of the home, we installed a secondary deck just off the primary suite. Just outside the living area is where these two decks come together. And to keep our customer out of the weather, we installed this covered patio. If you need help maximizing your outdoor living space, call or text anytime, 928-910-4147. Can't wait to get started.